Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Nucypher, but before we begin, 2 days left for our 50% yearly discount on Mind Your Crypto. You're going to get easy profit. BillMindYourCrypto.com is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. Try it out, you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to Nucypher, USD and Nucypher BTC chart. Right here, what do we have for new is that we had gone into a nice impulsive wave on the 1 hour frame. Right now we had a minus 11 and we seem to regain some confidence back. I will be giving you the exact price targets. Do not worry about that. First of all, let's see the 4 hour frame. On the 4 hour frame, we had a very high risk due to the fact that we had the RSI into an overbought situation. Same with the commodity channel index. I tried to find the allocation distribution actually of the token, but I didn't find anything on the internet. I found some information about the mining and so on, but I didn't find the exact percentage of the token allocation. Of course, if you have found anything, write in the comment section down below. Anyway, on Nucypher against USD back here. So I wanted to see how much of the position actually the team holds. Okay. And I want to see if they can do a monetary policy because it seems to me like a pretty much of a pump and dump altcoin right here. Of course, there we had a very crazy overbought situation. We had an oversold. Right now, things are looking better, but I'm going to give you the exact targets. Let's go to Nucypher against BTC. You remember back here what happened with Nucypher? It went all the way up plus 500 to 600% around there. I do not know how much it was around this area, and then we corrected all the way down. It was very crucial to know that after you go in just 1 week 600% upwards, then it is likely to just fall down. And of course, I'm going to show you the exact targets, what we have to do. First of all, we are finding rejection on the 20-day and the 50-day MA on the weekly frame for Nucypher. So it is going to go probably into further correction mode right there. And probably it won't be the case that we are going to see something beautiful. Although we had the bullish RSI divergence on the daily frame, as you can see between the 27th April and the 21st, that's why we had this pump right here. Eventually, right now, what we need to do in order to get even higher is to close above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, the 0.40's 1002. If we can manage to close above this line, which is also the 50-day exponential moving average, you can see that, then we are probably going to go to the 0.40's 11 and the 0.40's 1256. Okay, these will be the next targets for Nucypher. But at the end of the day, right now we have to break these lines. If we do not, then we are going further down. I'm giving you the exact price targets on what to look in the daily frame. This is for the daily frame. We need to close above in the daily frame. Okay, always remember that. Back to Nucypher against USD chart right here. What do we need to do in order to get even higher? Drawing the fib from the top to the bottom, you can see that we found rejection on the 0.618 Fibonacci, the 0.4132. And of course, what we need to do next is to close above the 0.4378. If we do that, then I would suggest you to get in because we are going to 0.50 and to 0.55. These are the next price targets, but what we need to do first is to close above the 0.4381. By the time that we do that, of course, we are going higher, but before we do that, I wouldn't recommend you buy. Okay, I would recommend actually to stay away from this trade and observe a little bit Nucypher because it has been doing some nice pumps and dumps. On the other hand, on the 1 hour frame, if we want to see some more short-term price analysis right here, what we need to do is to close above the 0.429. Okay, so this is a very crucial line along with the fact that we have the 0.42 as well. Okay, so we need to close above in order to get to the next targets, including the 0.50 for the very short term, that is. But I would recommend you stay on the previous targets, and we need to close above those targets in the 4 hour frame. I forgot to mention that. Do not forget also to join our monthly subscription, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.